guys, Brian here with an IMX Immutable X update here. Boy, if you were taking a trading position, boy, this would, in my opinion, this would be a pretty decent one to take. It looks like IMX is just about ready to break out of this massive downsloping resistance that it's had since March 18th roughly. It started. Okay, came up. Get my pointer out here. Started up here, came down, got rejected, came back up, got rejected again, got rejected right here, and now it's just poking its head up through it. All right, looks like it's gonna make it through there. All right, if we zoom in here a little bit, all right, we are just breaking above that. Let me get this perfect because I want. Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, it is perfect anyway. It's just maybe a hair. This thing on there, let me just get her adjusted there. There we go. Yes, we definitely have poked up through it. Let's go to the hourly here. All right, you can see a back test, and this thing looks like it's ready to go. Quite honestly, got the breakout, the back test on the hourly, and this thing looks like it's on its way up. This is the hourly on IMX. You can see the RSI at the bottom is turning up. It's at a 24 and a 14. Let's look at the technicals on TradingView and see what they say right now, because I believe this thing is lagging. Okay, I just want to check this. It's the oscillator say a buy, moving averages say a sell. Overall, it says neutral. All right, let's put the moving averages on here. On the daily, we are let's see here. There's the 50 is way up here, and the 200 is way down here. Okay, we came up. You can see that 200 was actually, we got rejected off that 200 the first time. All right, so these things are definitely pulled pretty far apart here. All right, you got the 50 is still above the 200. We had that golden cross way back here. All right, after this move here ended up having, looks like I just did a Kava video. It looks like that thing's about ready to do a golden cross. I mean, it is just so close. All right, but anyway, you're zooming in here on IMX. All right, we did hit that 200 and get rejected off there. Let's get these moving averages off here, go through these RSIs, and then look at some price targets here. Okay, the 12-hour is on its way up. It says 75 and a 47 on stochastic. The regular RSI is only at about a 49 and a half. The 8-hour, a 99 and a 78, and on the regular stochastic or the regular RSI, it's at a 54.8. But it looks like it's hooking over there. That's the 8-hour. The 4-hour is at the top, a 94 and a 96, turned bearish. The 1-hour, a 22 and a 13. That just flipped up, so yeah, most people, if they were getting in on this thing, that retest right there would have been a good area. Tight stop loss, and your limits on this. I wish I would have seen this coin a little bit earlier. Honestly, I was just looking through these charts. Still pretty decent. It could run up to 93. First target, second target $1.06, and that third target up around $1.22. So. Just to the 93 cents is, see how much of a move that is. That's 20%, not too shabby. Got a lot of air through here, like right there's your first resistance level. All right, so do your own research when trading or wagering your money, guys. But me personally, I think I might have to check this one out a little bit deeper after I get done with this video. So. There could be some potential price areas for this thing. And if we go off the top of this, we're looking for some retracement levels to come in. So let's put a Fibonacci on here and get an idea. These line up with any fib levels. You get the 618. That's kind of between here, 702. Just back to that 618 is at $1.15. We're at 76 cents right now. So you're looking. If we get up to that 618 retracement, that's a 50% move. Not too bad. All right. So anyway, if it even gets there, if this isn't a false breakout, on the hourly, it did back test it. Okay, we zoomed in there on the hourly. Now let's take a look on the 4 or something. 4-hour. Yeah, you can see that back test right in there, right off of that, right there. You know, move it down just a hair. Right there was the back test. Okay, let's get our arrow here. We had to break out the back test right there at 75 cents, and looks like it's starting up. The only thing that worries me is the RSIs. What's the weekly at? The weekly is just flipping over. That's beautiful. Yeah, this thing could have a decent run for a while. You know, do trading at your own risk, guys. Please, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take financial advice from me or anybody on YouTube. You know, do your own research, look into stuff, and you know, invest your money wisely. It's your money, so just please protect it. Okay, I just show you what I can see in the charts here and the trades I could possibly be looking at myself. So IMX looks pretty decent to me. This thing could have a pretty decent run coming up. So thanks a lot, guys. I will get back to you soon.